This video helps you easily accomplish the music transfer between a computer and an Android device. We will describe it with 3 methods, 2 services, and 2 apps. Option 1. Easiest way to sync Android music to computer. Mobikin Backup Manager for Android, which lets you sync Android music and other data types to a PC or Mac, and you can regain the items from your computer to any Android device. Namely, it can sync music from phone to phone and vice versa. How to sync music from Android to PC or Mac via Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Link the Android device to your computer. Step 2. Choose the music tracks to sync. Step 3. Sync music from Android to computer. This tool gives you the ability to click Browser to specify a location for your Android music on this computer. Finally, tap on Backup to begin music sync from Android to PC or Mac. To sync music from computer to Android, just go for Restore from the program interface. Then choose the backup file and mark the music box before clicking Restore again. Option 2. Sync Android music to computer via File Explorer. File Explorer lets you sync songs, photos, and videos between PC and Android, as long as you have an original USB cable that came with your Android phone. And please safely eject your device from your computer when the transfer is over. Option 3. Sync music to Android wirelessly using cloud accounts. Cloud storage like Dropbox is also a decent choice for music transfer. Before that, please make sure you have an account, for you'll need to enter the same account into your phone and computer, respectively. Option 4. Sync music between PC and Android via music streaming services. 1. YouTube Music. It provides its users with space of 50,000 files for free. You can use it to listen to planned genre broadcasts and find new tracks to enjoy. 2. Apple Music for Android. This service offers a range of features, promising a unique streaming journey. It has over 30 million individual music tracks with various genres and artists, working as a strong competitor service such as YouTube Music. Option 5. Sync music to or from Android with music sync apps. 1. Rave. As a cross-platform app to enjoy music and chat with your friends in real time. Rave gives you multiple options, including Android Music Sync, to let you enjoy your life. With it, you're also enabled to share music files. 2. Double Twist. Dubbed as a great music player and mobile manager, Double Twist lets its users can sync media files between computers and mobile devices wirelessly. As an all-rounder, this app makes it easy for you to AirPlay music from an Android device with the optional AirSync feature.